Good morning! We are back on trail, starting a new week. We are right outside of Carlisle, Pennsylvania, where we took that awesome zero yesterday. We laid in bed, ate good food, and just relaxed. We feel great now, back on trail. It's been really muddy through these pastures that we've been walking through, and now we're doing a little bit of road walking, and we'll probably pop back into the woods in just a minute, but just wanted to start out a new video for the week. Up our first climb out of Duncannon. We stayed at the church hostel in town. They aren't listed in AWOL and not really listed in gut hooks, but they were listed in the comments, so we went over, checked it out, and had a really great night. Great shower with towels, washcloths, and everything, so I felt like $1 million after that shower. We ate pizza at Sorrento's, had some ice cream. It was a really great night, and today I think we're gonna do about 17 miles. The rocks have started to show up a little bit in Pennsylvania, but I wouldn't say they're that much more than what we experienced in Virginia or in Maryland, so I think they're probably about what we've been used to, maybe a little bit more, but we hear that the rocks get a little bit more pointy as we get further north, but we'll make sure we show you what that looks like.
Alright, so we've wrapped the day up. We did about 18 miles. We're at Clark's Mountain Road, and we met some new friends here. They have an awesome dog named Lodi Dodi. But we are all gonna get back into Duncannon for pizza and stay at that church hostel again. So it's gonna be a fun night.
Good afternoon. So last night's adventure turned a little bit crazy. Our shuttle driver showed up kind of late, so we got a late start going into town, and then we went in to get some pizza, but long story short, the pizza didn't actually arrive to our table until an hour after we had gotten there, and we even had it to go, so needless to say, it was a long night. We didn't get back to the hostel until about 9:30, didn't get our ice cream that we were hoping for, ate our pizza on the floor, grabbed a quick shower. Actually, I didn't even get a shower because it was after 10 o'clock by the time the lights were out. So just jumped in our sleeping bags, went to sleep, and Sandals took his shower last night. I grabbed a shower really fast this morning, and we headed back on the trail. Shuttle driver was a little bit late again, but I mean, you know, gotta go with the flow sometimes. Duncannon was good one time around. So definitely stay at the Assembly of God Church Hostel if you're going through Duncannon. But you know what, keep pushing on is what I would recommend. But yeah, so got our pizza and had a really nice night actually, sleep-wise, so that was good. We are back on trail. Sorry we didn't say good morning. We were just crunching out the miles today, and I've been really tired today. So sorry we don't have as much video for the day, but doing well and happy we had some pizza last night.
Also, that booming sound you're hearing, there's apparently an artillery kind of practice field on the other side of the mountain, so they've been booming all day. Wrapped the day up, just about 17 miles. Yeah, so it was a pretty good day, uneventful, not a lot to see, which is why I didn't do too much video. But yeah, still working through Pennsylvania. we might be going to a hostel tomorrow. I'll let you know where we go.
Some great rocks behind us to show you. Those are the ridgeline rocks that we've been walking on. They are starting to get a little bit more intense, I shall say, but we're not quite yet at the really bad stuff yet. Today we started really late, probably around 9 o'clock. I took a Benadryl last night because I had a bad bug bite and woke up so groggy that I fell back asleep, and then sandals didn't wake up, and so long story short, we had about 12 hours of sleep last night, which was wonderful. However, we have some bad thunderstorms rolling in this afternoon, and we might cut our day short just to get out of those and only do about 12 miles instead of making it to the hostel where we intended to make today. But we might Nero tomorrow at the hostel if we feel like it, which might be great after all these rocks today.
Let me explain in a second. Alright, so we're in a hotel. Why are we in a hotel? Well, yesterday took a turn for the worse. First, Ninja Snail woke up on the wrong side of the pad. That Benadryl really knocked her down, and she was super groggy. And then we didn't get started until probably 9 o'clock, 9:30, I can't remember. So we started the day late. We had originally been wanting to go 22 miles to the hostel to get out of the rain and make it a 22-mile day. So we immediately said, let's just do 12 miles because it was so late. Rain was coming, and there was a shelter that delivered pizza. It's called the 501 shelter. We were gonna go there. So we start hiking about 7 miles into what would be a 12-mile day. My foot starts killing me. My left arch, every step felt like shooting knives. Kind of looked a little bit up on the internet about it and reached out again to Optimist, who is my physical therapist friend. Sounds like it might be beginning stages of plantar fasciitis. So we kind of have a rule where if we ever have any sort of serious pain, we immediately will take a day off just so that it can fully recover and heal and prevent any further damage. So that's what we're doing. We took a day off, letting my foot rest, elevating, icing it, compression, and rest. That is what Optimist said to do. That's what I'm gonna do. So we're here at the hotel. We're just hanging out. It's gonna be another one of those days. I'm gonna end the video here. Sorry that this wasn't the most eventful and exciting video, but I hope you still enjoy following along. We'll see you next time.